In today's video, we're going to show you the essential items every Turkish house must have. And we really wanted to make this video so you can know a little bit more about the Turkish culture and the houses. So we're visiting my mother-in-law's house, and this is the perfect time for showing you that. So first of all, many of you already know, but in Turkish houses, we don't really, and in many other countries around the world also have these, which I love, this amazing custom that we don't enter the houses with our shoes on. So it's the same case in Turkey. So in this case, I'm gonna get rid of my shoes and I'm gonna show you what's a must-have item in Turkish houses. So the first essential item will be the famous terlik. And terlik means those special shoes that we use only for indoors. So you will see in every Turkish house they have plenty of terlik, so they will give them to guests, so you will not be stepping just on the floor like that. So in my case, I will grab these ones, which look so comfortable. Another item that you will find in every Turkish house will be the famous colonia. And this one you will find it everywhere. Usually this is some sort of disinfectant, but it's been used in Turkish culture for so long. So this is so traditional, this is so famous, and they have a lemon smell as well. So this one is used to refresh the guests coming home, and also it's used after food, before food, and mostly everywhere. So they will receive you with that one. So now we're going to the kitchen, and you will find this one in every Turkish house. You will never see a Turkish house without this. So this is the çaydanlık, which is this is the special thing where they prepare the Turkish tea. So you will see every house like this. As you can see, this is a double one. In the bottom one, you put water, you boil it, and in this one you will put the tea. When that this is boiled, then you will pour the water into the tea, you will let it boil, and then you will serve it into the little chai glasses. And this brings me next to the most, I believe, item in every Turkish house. And this is going to be the Turkish tea, the chai. So yes, this one will be in every single house. Every person, if you visit any local home, they will receive you with a glass of tea. And please be careful, because also if you don't consume that much black tea, make sure to tell your host if you don't want any more tea, because if you don't tell them anything, the Turkish tea will keep coming and coming and coming to you. So if you only want one or two glasses, make sure to always tell your host about that. So yes, in this case here, my mother-in-law, she has this one here already. So it smells so good. So here you can find the black tea, and yeah, you will find that in every Turkish home, of course. Also coffee and the famous cezve, which cezve are these special pots where we are going to make the Turkish coffee, are also essential in mostly every Turkish house. So you will find many designs for the cezve. Nowadays you will find them even in more modern styles like this one, which by the way, I love this one. And of course, the ones that most of people know are the ones made of copper. Those ones are also beautiful, and they have more Turkish style, more traditional style. So, but if you want something more modern, you can also find them like this. And of course, the Turkish coffee is not as consumed as much as Turkish tea, but of course, every once in a while they do it. So the smell. Okay, it smells incredible, the Turkish coffee, and of course, my favorite brand, which is the Kuru Cafeci Mehmet Efendi. This one you can find that in Eminönü shops just outside the Spice Bazaar. This is going to be the best Turkish coffee brand. And the next one is, of course, the famous carpets. Every Turkish house must have a carpet, because Even Turkish say that a house without carpets is like if they are naked houses. So they must need to feel cozy, and it gives also warmth and everything, and they really love the carpets. They come in many type of designs, colors, and everything. Some people prefer more neutral colors, some others prefer the bright colors or even Turkish designs. So yeah, you will find Turkish carpets in every house. Another thing that we can find in most of Turkish houses are going to be this thing, but I know these are made by knitting or crochet. So these are very famous in Turkish houses. You will find them on top of tables as covers and everything. So you will find them very often in Turkish houses. That is something that I admire and I love from Turkish women, that many are very, very talented at knitting procedures. They usually love making these to give to their nieces, nephews, and everybody. So they also make these as little gifts. And the next one, of course, this one, everybody knows it, and it's the famous evil eye. The evil eye is this one, and this one is believed to give you some sort of protection against bad or evil energies. So some people believe that this one will give you some sort of protection and everything. So you can also find them in plenty of houses. As well, this is one of the most popular souvenirs that you can take from Turkey to your home country. You'll find them anywhere in the house, but mainly they will put them in the entrance before a guest comes. You can find them hanged on the wall or just on top of any furniture, so it doesn't matter. The most popular ones, of course, are this color, the blue ones, but also you will find different colors, and it is believed that they help you in different things like money, love, and other things. The next one is gonna be these small tables, and this one you will find them almost in every single house, because also I'm gonna go back to the tea or the chai, since they love consuming the chai and these little snacks during the day. Also, they want to have them as close as possible. So that is why you will find these tables around the houses, especially in the living rooms, so everybody can easily reach their tea and the snacks. And another important item, it needs to be the Turkish flag. And this is because also Turks, they are very proud of their nation, of their country, of their flag. And especially on those holidays, important holidays for them, you will see every building, every street, every house with their beautiful Turkish flag. So yes, this is another item that you must see or you will find in every Turkish house. Every Turkish family will have at least one flag. So these were just a few essential items that usually we will find in every Turkish house. If you're a Turk who is watching this video, please let us know in comments below what other things or items is a must in every house. We would love to read those ones as well. So if you enjoyed and liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.